Hey folks, welcome back to our channel. Welcome to all the new people and welcome back to anyone who's returning. Special treat for you this week. We've got Kirk.
Hello.
Yeah, that's Kirk. So this week we thought we'd do a coaster challenge. And as you can see, we've split the screen. The one on the left is Kirk and the one on the right is me. I forgot to press record, so I'm a little bit ahead of Kirk, as you can see.
One job.
I have one job, yeah. The mold that I got was from a very famous Chinese site, and it's got 4 coasters. Two of them are wavy. It has a wavy pattern, and 2 of them have, I don't know what you call that pattern, random pattern.
Yeah. So
I decided to go for a jewel theme and a metallic theme.
Yeah, and I just went with the flow, really.
You winged it.
I did wing it. Yeah. So I went with I thought that one looked like lava. You know when you see the lava, and it's cooling down and it starts to crack and you see all the red.
Well, I've not seen it in person.
Well, no, but you never know.
I live in Gloucester. I'm fairly confident I'm not going to see lava in Gloucester.
There could be a volcano hiding somewhere.
In Gloucester?
Yeah, you never know.
Okay, moving on. Moving on swiftly.
Anyway, yeah, so I used a silver paint pen just to go through the cracks. So, yeah, I'm just filling, which was quite difficult, to be honest, because that pen, I just really struggled.
What, using a pen?
Yeah. Just in general, really. Yeah. No, on the silicone, it just wouldn't cut out. So I had to keep dabbing the end and then just letting some of the silver just roll out. And then just spread it
I don't
around.
know if I've got some dodgy pens or what, but yeah, they don't write on silicone as well as I would hope. What pens do you guys recommend? What should we get?
Yeah. So I'm just having to clean up now, and then I'm going to go with a red, and I'm going to go with a red and an orange and a yellow, just to get those colours of the lava breaking through.
Yeah, and the micas that we use is just a cheap set that we got from Amazon when we first started doing resin, and they have lasted forever, like literally forever. I can't use them fast enough. I desperately there's a particular set that I want to get, and I'm not allowed to buy any more micas until we've run out of these. So it doesn't seem to matter how much I use them, they just won't go.
We have enough micas at the moment.
Yes, we do. I thought you were going to say that other phrase that you like to say.
That we've got too many glitters.
There's no such thing as too many glitters.
There is.
No. Well, you won't like next week then, when I've got another 1 or 2 coming.
Oh, joy. Oh, look. Spillage.
How did you do that?
The on the pots, you get a little cardboard top.
Yeah.
That so that when you take the lid off, you have to peel that off as well. And I didn't put it on properly. So when I screwed the lid on, the lid didn't actually screw.
So what we've established is that you struggle with pens and you struggle with lids.
And anything that revolves me holding something, yeah, I struggle with, to be fair. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So I've put on the orange red, or reddish orange, and now I am doing the yellow. And
for my video, the one on the right, I did 2 themes. I went for a jewel theme and a metallic theme. So this is just my metallic theme. So I got some brush on metallic micas from Resin Supplies Den, and I have to say they are stunning. So I'm just brushing them on, and they went on really, really well, and the colours are amazing. I absolutely love them.
They are quite pretty, to be fair.
Yeah, they are.
And then my coaster, I am on this one going with a rainbow theme. So I'm going to do one of each colour of the rainbow.
Which are?
Well, you can see them there, left to right. So
what are they?
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and a violet.
Oh, you remembered the violet this
yes.
time.
Yeah.
He often forgets the purple.
Well, there's so much around here, so
There's
that I don't feel that I need any more purple in my life.
We don't have enough purple.
You can have enough purple.
No.
Yeah.
This is what I'm dealing with. This is what I have to deal with. Too many glitters, too much purple, too many micas.
Yep.
No such thing.
So I'm just going and just blending each colour in. So I'm doing a little bit of the yellow where I'm going to put the green, just so that when I brush them all together, it sort of blends through.
Blends a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't want a defined line of where one colour starts and the other one ends. So I'm just trying to put the green in there and then just do a little bit of a splattering. And I think it's looking quite pretty here so far. And then because you forgot to record half of yours, you're already mixing yours.
I'm already mixing my resin. So we used, I think it's craft resin for this, isn't it? So we normally do use mould, but we use craft resin for this one. And I have to say, I really like it. I do really like craft resin. It degasses really well. So I think we might get some more.
I quite like it. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, I have no issues with it. it does what it's supposed to do.
I think there's only one resin that we've had so far that we don't like, or that doesn't suit us. But swiftly moving on.
Yeah.
So look at you being all tidy.
Yeah, well, I mean, if you look at your mat and mine is nice and clean now, even though I've had a spillage.
Okay, so this is us pouring the black. We used the Vista black pigment. Absolutely amazing black. It really is gorgeous.
That's what it says on the tin.
You've got a thing about things doing what they say on the tin. Anyhow, whilst we're pouring this, if anyone's still with us at the moment, thank you very much for sticking with us. Please do feel to like, subscribe, and do leave a comment. I promise to answer all of them. Not always straight away, but I do answer them all. But here we are, 24 hours later for the demould. And this is mine. So I can't remember which is which. So we'll just have a little bit of suspense.
Yeah.
Could do with a drum roll. We're going to have to get a drum roll, you know.
I'm sure there's a clip somewhere we can put in.
When you say we.
You.
And you can just see on the left-hand side my Halloween key rings.
In progress.
In progress. Yeah.
See, that's really nice.
So there's my metallic one. I was really pleased with this one. It is really. I don't think the camera does it justice, but it is really pretty.
Yeah, no, it looks really good.
And
that's pretty.
There's my jewel theme kind of coaster. So, that's
nice and close there.
Nice and close.
No, I like that.
Yeah.
I think that the coloured one on the left is really pretty.
Yeah.
And here's mine. Very exciting.
It is.
Look at that clean board as well.
Oh. Honestly.
So we're going to do my lava one first. I'm not overly impressed with it. I was hoping that the red would come out a bit more, but when you use a red mica, it does tend to get a bit pinky. But that
one's pretty.
Yeah, I like that one. I'm really pleased with that.
Yeah, I do like that one. So then what we did is we stuck them all in a line and we tried to work out sort of which was the best, which was the worst. What I'll do is I'll put an image up on our community tab, and you guys can let us know who the winner is and who the loser is of this particular challenge. And I think winner chooses next challenge.
Okay.
And all colours for the next challenge. Yeah?
No, I quite like the
winner chooses
the
next
winner
challenge.
chooses the next challenge. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Yeah. No, I'm good with that.
We'll do that. Thank you to anybody who's still with us and spent time to watch our video all the way to the end.
Still here.
Really,
yes.
really appreciate it. I'll put a picture in our community tab to save you having to watch it again to see what they look like. But thank you so much to anybody who's watched our video, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one.
And don't forget to like, subscribe,
blah blah blah,
and all that stuff. Yeah.
Thanks, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.